Green Beauty Chemist. Today we are revealing a much anticipated secret in our skincare journey. Yes, it's finally time to unveil my go-to secret ingredient for achieving that perfect, flawless skin. And it's none other than niacinamide. This episode is dedicated to unveiling the wonders of niacinamide and how it can transform your skincare routine. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is not just an ordinary skincare ingredient. It's a powerhouse with a multitude of benefits for the skin. Renowned for its versatility, niacinamide works wonders on various skin types and concerns. Let's talk about why niacinamide is so effective. This incredible vitamin is celebrated for its ability to improve skin texture, diminish the appearance of pores, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's also known for its brightening effect, helping to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Niacinamide magic doesn't stop there. It's also an excellent anti-inflammatory, making it ideal for those struggling with acne and redness. Plus, its ability to strengthen the skin's barrier function means better hydration and protection against environmental stressors. But how do you incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine? It's simple and versatile. You can find it in serum, moisturizers, and even toners. For a DIY approach, adding niacinamide powder to your favorite base or serum at a concentration of about 2 to 5% can be incredibly effective. Remember, as powerful as niacinamide is, skincare is all about balance and understanding your skin's needs. Always start with a lower concentration if you are new to this ingredient and consider adding a patch test first. While niacinamide is a superstar for flawless skin, there's another ingredient that deserves equal spotlight: hyaluronic acid. This powerhouse ingredient is a hydration hero and a must-have for anyone seeking plump, youthful, and radiant skin. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in our skin that holds water and helps keep it hydrated and plump. However, as we age, its natural production decreases, which is where topical application steps in. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 10,000 times its weight in water, making it an exceptional moisturizer. The beauty of hyaluronic acid lies in its ability to draw moisture from the environment into the skin, providing hydration without greasing it. It's perfect for all skin types, from oily to dry, and can dramatically improve skin texture, diminish fine lines, and give a dew healthy look. Incorporating hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine is simple. It's widely available in serums, creams, and even injectables. For DIY enthusiasts, you can create a hyaluronic acid serum by dissolving hyaluronic acid powder in distilled water and adding a preservative for stability. A concentration of about 1 to 2% is ideal to ensure effective hydration without overwhelming the skin. Combining niacinamide and hyaluronic acid can be a game changer for your skin. While niacinamide works on improving skin tone and reducing imperfections, hyaluronic acid provides a deep quenching moisture that gives your skin a youthful bounce. While niacinamide and hyaluronic acid are phenomenal for achieving flawless skin, there's another key player in the realm of skincare that we simply cannot overlook: vitamin C. This powerhouse ingredient is known for its brightening, anti-aging, and antioxidant properties, making it a trifecta in skincare. Vitamin C, scientifically known as ascorbic acid, is essential for collagen synthesis, which aids in maintaining skin firmness and elasticity. It's an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, reducing the signs of aging and protecting against environmental stressors. Plus, its brightening effect works wonders on fading dark spots and evening out the skin tone. Incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine can significantly enhance skin radiance. It's commonly found in serums, moisturizers, and face masks. For those who are interested in DIY formulations, creating a vitamin C serum can be a rewarding experience. You can use L-ascorbic powder, blending it with a base like distilled water and adding a suitable preservative. However, note that vitamin C is quite unstable in water-based solutions and can rapidly degrade, so proper formulation and pH adjustment are crucial. Imagine the combined powers of niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C in your skincare regimen. Niacinamide to improve skin texture and reduce pores, hyaluronic acid for that deep, nourishing hydration, and vitamin C to brighten and protect. It's like having a complete skincare arsenal at your fingertips. For those who are eager to dive deeper into creating bespoke skincare formulation with this incredible ingredient, I highly recommend visiting stablecosmeticformulas.com The comparative courses and resources are perfect for both beginners and experienced formulators looking to expand their repertoire in green beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. We are constantly exploring the latest in green beauty. I would love for you to be a part of our journey. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, achieving flawless skin is not about every ingredient out there, but finding the right ones that work in synergy with your skin's needs. With niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, you are well on your way to a radiant, healthy complexion. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and embrace the journey to discovering your skin's full potential.